Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Let's evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity of ln of x squared plus 3 minus ln of e to the x minus 1. First, observe that as x approaches infinity, ln of x squared plus 3 goes to infinity and ln of e to the x minus 1 goes to infinity too. So we have an indeterminate form infinity minus infinity. To simplify, we will use the log identity ln a minus ln b equals ln a over b. B different from 0, a and b strictly positive. Applying that, the limit becomes this. Now we're gonna analyze the inside of the natural log. I mean this expression x squared plus 3 divided by e to the x minus 1 as x approaches infinity. Here we're gonna do a small transformation. We're gonna divide the numerator and the denominator both by x squared. That's gonna give me Now let's evaluate this expression, the numerator and the denominator, as x approaches infinity. As x approaches infinity, 3 over x squared tends to 0. We have here 0 plus 1, so this limit is equals to 1. As x approaches infinity, e to the x grows faster than x squared. So this expression tends to infinity, but this expression tends to 0. We have here infinity minus 0. That's going to give me infinity. The numerator tends to 1, which is a positive real number, and the denominator tends to infinity. So we're going to have here 0, but 0 plus. Therefore, the expression becomes ln of something going to 0 from the right, which means the limit is minus infinity. Note, when the expression inside the logarithm tends to 0 from the left or becomes a negative, it means the limit doesn't exist because the natural logarithm function is only defined for strictly positive real numbers.
In real analysis,